But make me a host. So guys, firstly, we discuss the organic paper right now. Okay, so open your question paper. We will discuss the question paper firstly. Okay, so right now I'm discussing the question paper from 46. I hope you will already solve the paper with the maximum efficiency. Correct, everyone? So now we are discussing the 46 to 50. Guys, we are taken alternate questions. Let's say if you have some problem, so we can take that particular question instead of solving each and every question. So guys, I'm only talking about the organic portion, organic. So where is the organic portion right now? From there, 71 question, I think. Not 71, it's from 73 right now. 73 to, I think, till 90. Correct. So almost 73. 73, it almost means 17 question we have of organic chemistry. Correct. So tell me guys, 73 to, am I audible to you? Okay. Okay, good afternoon, beta. So first tell me guys, 73 to 80. Is there any problem? 73 to 80. What is the next weekend syllabus? गाना कीर्तना. बेटा आपके ग्रुप पर आया नहीं है क्या? ग्रुप मैसेज सिलेबस का. So those students who are asking me the syllabus, we have already provided you the syllabus on 30th of June. We have already provided, but I don't know why they are Gana Kirtana, you are not in a WhatsApp group. Kumati Prabhakar sir sent that particular syllabus PDF file yesterday at 4:04 p.m. Still, why are you asking questions to the teacher here? I don't know what happened here. You are not active in these things. Guys, this is your work. Okay. There are some work which can do efficiently from your side here. Simple. Because we have already provided your syllabus yesterday by your class in charge. Still, you are asking me. It means we are not active in that particular, at least active on that particular WhatsApp official group at least. Sugana, please, yaar, these things will never repeat in the future. My humble request. Correct. And I request to everyone, yeah. Right now we have a WhatsApp group. We have a Resonance portal also, Resonance Hyderabad portal. So we can check that particular portal also. Solution and colligative property is the topic, right, sir? Oh my God. This is for 12th class, Mr. What is this? छोड़ो यार, अभी इन सब बातों को छोड़ो, आप पेपर सॉल्व करो यार. कितनी सारी बातें होती है ना आपके पास डिस्कस करने के लिए, कुछ तो यूजलेस ही होती है बिल्कुल. Okay, so now I'm talking about 73 to 90, the question number 75. So what is the 75 question? Guys, be remember, I'm taking questions of this like the continue manner. 75. Find the incorrect statement about the given molecule. So compound is homocyclic, aromatic. Compound is hetero. Hetero means different atom. As a number of pi bonded carbon atom are 10. So you can check the pi bonded carbon atom. So is it 10 or not? Okay. And what about this? तो आपको तो second option मिल गया, compound is heterocyclic compound, and you know very well heterocyclic means a ring formed by other than carbon. A ring formed by other than carbon, you can say. Okay, pi bonds carbon is 10. Degree of unsaturation dBu is 7. You can calculate the dBu also. There are 1 2 3 4 5 bonds and 2 rings. The total dBu, double bond equivalent, or या फिर du is 7. This is the 75 question. Now the next, structural isomerization. पता नहीं क्या पूछ रहे हो आप यार. Till 80 is there any problem? Till 80 is there any problem? 80 question. Okay, 80 question. The correct IUPAC name. So my dear students, the question is this one. This is C2H5. So we may write this one. And if you remember, I solved this particular question in your class also, if you remember. ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन मैंने किया था. Actually, you are not elaborate this one. Now the parent chain is what, beta? This is the parent chain. This is the substituent 1 2 3. Correct, everybody? And you can give the numbering from the bottom. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I think it's 2 4 4, isn't it? So it's a 2. No. The question is, I'm getting a wrong structure right now. Sorry, we are getting a wrong structure. मैंने wrong structure बना दिया. हाँ. So here I think we will get this one, CH2 CH3. Okay, the things are easy. This is not CH2. This is the structure, I think. Correct. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can take this one also. So I think 2 4 dimethyl 4. Achha, why we considered methyl earlier? This is the wrong. This is the methyl, and this is the ethyl. So definitely E will comes first. So it's a 4 ethyl 2 4 dimethyl hexane. So I think 80, the answer will be B. This is the 80 question. Can we move to the next one? Guys, parallelly, I'm unable to saw your chat box right now. Correct? So till 80, is there any other problem? Now we are moving towards 81. We remember now I will not take the question till 73 to 80. Correct? I'm giving you already 5 minutes and you get only 1 minute. So guys, 81 to 85. Tell me the problem between 81 to 85. What will be the problem? 82. Okay. So 82 question they are saying the higher homologous of dimethyl amine. So dimethyl amine has the structure. So my dear students, NHCH3 CH3. So you can check the structure. अगर आप structure check करेंगे बेटा, in 82 question, basically what is the homologous series? Homologous series means there is a difference of one CH2 unit. And beta, it is a secondary amine. So we need to focus only on the secondary amine rather than the primary and tertiary amine. Like A option, we have tertiary amine. D option, we have a different kind of molecule. B having the primary amine. So I think you understand what I'm saying. So secondary amine basically resembles with the secondary amine homologous. So that's why C will be the correct answer. And there is a only difference of one CH2 unit. Correct. Now we are moving towards the 85 question. 85 question. So which of the following is the correct IUPAC name? So guys, you need to draw the correct IUPAC name. So those students who are asking me 85 question, one student who, can you please tell me the exact part beta, Vidhi, in which part you have a problem? 82, which one is the correct option? C option beta. 82 C option, that is only secondary one, na? So C option will be. Beta, have you provided, the institute provided you an answer key or not? They will provide you the answer key or not? I think management uploaded on the answer key on the portal. I think. Beta, with the 85, in which part you have a problem? Can you please tell me? Okay, if you have an answer key, it means you have a little bit more comfortability to identify yourself. With the which part, beta? Basically, these structures are wrong. So let's say if I'm talking about 85A option, ठीक है? It's a 3-ethyl 4,4-dimethyl haptane 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I'm given the numbering from any side, it's your choice. Now it's better 3-ethyl बोले तो ये CH2 CH3 3-ethyl 4,4-dimethyl 4 4. So this is the correct one. ये तो correct है. The answer is A. Correct one. अपन ने तो correct उठा लिया. Let's say I'm talking about B option. They are saying haptane. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Correct. They are saying 4,4-dimethyl. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. They are saying 4,4-dimethyl. 4,4-dimethyl. My dear students, this is M, this is E. So common sense, E will come firstly, then the M. So second one is the wrong answer. And the C option, they are saying 5-ethyl. So let's say if I'm talking about the C option, because C option go. They are saying haptane. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I'm given hypothetical number from any side 4 5 6 7. They are saying 5-ethyl, C2H5, 4-methyl, 4-dimethyl. So my dear students, here we have we don't have a lowest locant. Here we have a 4 5. If I'm given the numbering from here 1 2 3, we are getting third position substituent. So from here we get the third 4. From here we can get 4 5. You know very well which one have a better rank, 3. That's why this is the wrong answer. Correct. So the correct answer is A, 85. Correct, beta? Within now, I think it's clear. Sir, how to see question paper? Rishikesh, beta, contact to your class in charge. Why you are not asking the things to the class in charge, yaar? I'm little bit confused, yaar. Have you asked your chemistry doubts to your mummy? Ki mama, please tell me the IUPAC name of this particular compound. Can you please tell me? Nobody, na? Why? You know very well ki mama didn't know about the IUPAC. So the same question you are asking to me. Sir, how can we get the question paper? I'm your mummy, beta. And how the mummy asked the question, give the answer of IUPAC? No, this is your logic, doctor. 85A will be the correct answer. Answer, Vigna beta, answer is A given in the answer key. I hope you will ask me something different things. So now 86 to 90, guys. 86 में क्या problem है? चलो 86 को देते हैं। गाइस यू नेवर आस्क द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर मदर बट मम्मा प्लीज टेल मी द आईयूपीएससी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर 86 क्वेश्चन। नो ना, व्हाई? यू नो वेरी वेल यार मम्मा को नहीं आता है। अब सेम क्वेश्चन फिर मुझसे पूछ रहे हो, सर क्वेश्चन पेपर कहां से मिलेगा? एक बार तो हंसी आती है तुम पर, बिल्कुल ही क्यूट बच्चे हो, क्यूट क्यूट। करेक्ट। टुडे यू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन टू योर मदर, please ask the question 86 question to your mother. Everyone, I give you an instruction that ask the 86 question in front of your mother. Mommy please tell me 86 question. They will slap you. She will definitely slap you. ये पागल हो गया क्या? क्या कर रहा है? मुझे आईयूपीएससी आता तो बिजनेस में पढ़ रहा होता। ठीक है, 86 क्वेश्चन फाइंड द कभी कभी तो इतना सर she did not slapped me. Oh, slapped बेटा, I'm not saying slapped means kind of प्यार वाला स्लैप यार। ओ विधि, आप तो आपके फादर को लाइक केमिस्ट्री का नॉलेज होगा शायद, ऐसा हो सकता है, बट एवरी फादर इज नॉट काइंड ऑफ थिंग ना। ठीक है। अरे प्यार वाला थप्पड़ नहीं लगता क्या मम्मा से? ये तो स्लैप का मतलब सोच रहा है कि मम्मा हमें भून देगी। ओ माय गॉड, डेंजरस बच्चे। ओ आईसीएमआर में। गुड 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 गुड। समझ गया मैं, समझ गया मैं। So now write down the 86 question. Find the sum of the total number of homocyclic aromatic compound. Homocyclic compounds. They are saying homocyclic. Homocyclic का मतलब you are getting what is the mean of homocyclic, students? Homocyclic and they are saying aromatic. So first we need to find out aromatic separately. So the first one is aromatic. Second one is heterocyclic. Okay. Third is not. देखो मैं ऐसे लिख देता हूँ, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ सिक्स्थ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. As I'm writing the category, this is homocyclic aromatic, this is heterocyclic aromatic, this is non-aromatic guys, non-aromatic. So it's simply a cyclic compound जिसे अपन एलिसाइक्लिक भी बोल सकते हैं, एलिसाइक्लिक. Fourth one is obviously homocyclic aromatic. Fifth one, my dear, it's a non-aromatic but heterocyclic. So aliphatic heterocyclic beta, because oxygen is there. Seventh one is heterocyclic but aromatic. Okay, if you remember guys, मैंने आपको example, I have already given the examples. Which one? The second one that is present in your notebook. Sixth one present in your notebook. Seventh, my dear, it is aniline. It is also homocyclic aromatic. So 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. 86. The C option is the correct one. Okay. Now we are moving towards the next one. Is there any other doubt, students? 86. But they had given paper and answer in the portal. Click on notice. Sankal beta, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. What are you talking right now? Can you give sincere? Sir, they had given paper and answer in the portal. Click on notice. हाँ, correct Sankal. Correct. Beta, whenever you have a problem ना, just call to your class incharge. वो आपको तेलुगु में भी समझा सकते हैं. ठीक है. 87, 88 क्वेश्चन देखो. 87 क्वेश्चन को which of the following compound is different word root than other? So guys, let's say if I'm talking about this one. So this is what? Cyclic compound, and they have longer carbon chain 1 2 3 4 5. So definitely it is a main chain, you can say. They are saying which of the following compound have different word root than others. So it's a 5 carbon. Okay, and this one 87 question we are asking now. So here also we have 1 2 3 4 5. So B option having also 5 carbon. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 carbon, 5 carbon, 5 carbon, 5 carbon. D option. I not eliminate that particular question. Why? Because this is a question of open chain. Guys, here you can check. The carbon chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbon is not there in anyone. That's why D will be the correct answer. Correct, everybody? First, we need to choose the longest option, na? Longest one. 87 question. 87 question we have done. 88 question. Look at the 88 question. 88. They are saying which of the following IUPAC is incorrect. So guys, A option देखो. Look at the A option. They are saying dicyclopropyl methane. That is correct. 88. Okay. The B option, they are saying 2-ethyl 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. So that is also correct. C option, that is 2-methyl butane. That is also correct. अरे लड्डू क्वेश्चन नहीं है. D option is not correct. Again same question. So sometimes students are saying, sir, this is a question of cyclic. And you are saying cyclic is not included in your syllabus. Array, this D option is included in your syllabus, and you know very well this is a wrong. So you can effectively solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentane, beta. The answer is given as butane. So this is the wrong one. Correct. So please don't forget why I'm given these questions. Fifth option, sir, in fifth option, the fifth carbon can be taken one and down one also, sir. Third option, downward also you can take. Fifth option, beta. Third option. In third option, na, you can take this one also, beta. We don't have any issue. Guys, sometimes students are saying, sir, can we take this one also as a parent chain? Oh my dear students, if you are taken this one, write down their IUPAC name. Okay, let's say you can do, and I'm taking this one. I'm taking this as a parent chain. Okay, I'm writing the IUPAC name. Beta, both are same. Both are same. You can check. That's why I'm saying if your IUPAC name is correct, na. So both are same, my dear. Pritham, you can find out with the both of the chain you are assuming, either downward, either upward. Is there any other doubt till 90? Till 90, is there any other doubt, students? Bolo bachcho. Okay, so without wasting our time here, because last week we are little bit hurry, so it's better we can do little bit. Not I'm saying too fast, but right now we are continuing with the organic chemistry IUPAC nomenclature. One student say me the 19 question. Please reply थोड़ा fast किया करो. Please, my humble request. You are so slow. Now I have everything. I close these things. 90 question देखो बेटा. They are saying देखो 90 question देख लो. What is 90 question, guys? The 19 question is this one. This is the question we have. Now, we need to choose what beta. Firstly, double bond maximum आना चाहिए. And double bond maximum कहाँ आएंगे मेरे according? Where we have a multiple bond maximum, because maximum number of carbon we are not taking. One, देखो, we are getting one guys, ये यहाँ तक है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the parent chain. Oh, sorry. This is the parent chain. Why we are choosing this chain, guys? You can check the rule. If we have a multiple bond, it will give more priority than the longest carbon chain. So now how many substituent? 1 substituent, 2 substituent, and 3 substituent. Correct. And give the numbering. Acha, tell me, students, listen. Sometimes students are getting confused and they give me an answer a little bit while. Here, guys, double bond and triple bond both have same position. What I'm saying, if they have a same position, then you can choose double bond as a priority. If let's say if we have this situation, let's say I'm telling you, let's say if we have this situation. So guys, please don't give numbering from here. No, wrong. Numbering from here, because we need to give priority to a multiple bond. If both have same position, then we will give the priority. So now you can give the answer. What the answer we have? So I think the answer will be 3 propyl. This is the propyl group. This is the methyl group, and this is the ethyl group. So first we need to write ethyl, 6 ethyl, 4 methyl, 3 propyl, and beta hapt, 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 haptene, haptene. I'm the correct one, na? 1 2. No. Hapt 6 in 1 ion. Yes, hapt 6 in 1 ion, you can say. Correct, everybody? So this is the case basically we are dealing here. No. Sorry. Wrong. What we need to wrong here, guys? Here we have double bond at one position and triple bond have one position. Correct. So ये जो numbering है ना, ये जो numbering है, ये मैंने wrong numbering की है. This is not the correct one. Why this is not correct? अभी समझाया. If we have a double bond and triple bond have same priority, same order, same location, then the in will be preferred. That's why we are giving numbering from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Correct. Now you can choose. It's a 2 ethyl. So आप लिख देंगे 2 ethyl, 4 methyl, 5 propyl, hapt ऐसे लिख देंगे hapt in नहीं आएगा, haptene 6 ion, haptene 6 ion. You can check the answer. Which one is that particular question answer? Correct, everybody? सर दिस वीक पोर्शन इज अप टू साइक्लिक कंपाउंड. बेटा सर मैंने नहीं देखा सिलेबस. आई एम ऑनेस्ट, मैंने सिलेबस नहीं देखा बेटा. टेस्ट सिलेबस आपको देखना है, मुझे कोर्स प्लानर देखना होता है. करेक्ट. चलो अब अपन टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स so open your class notebook. We can continue. चलो अपन कंटिन्यू करते हैं. अपन IUPAC. So where we are yesterday, students? I think we have done with the alkene alkyne questions. Correct. अपन ने क्वेश्चंस कर लिए थे. अब लिखो बेटा, नेक्स्ट लिखो. I think we have done till 10th question. Okay, that is a good thing. Now write down the next heading. So today we start with a new topic. So write down the topic, students. Okay, so try to write little bit parallelly. I'm not saying too much parallelly. I'm giving you little bit time, guys. So you need to write some parallel. So guys, write down IUPAC nomenclature of IUPAC nomenclature for alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic. Alicyclic compounds. What is the first one? Parent chain selection. Obviously, parent chain selection is the first one. Parent chain selection rule. Parent chain selection rule. So what is the parent chain selection rule? The same thing, guys. First, we need to choose maximum number of multiple bond. Same thing, multiple bond. Then beta, maximum number of carbon atom. Maximum number of carbon atom. Then beta, maximum number of substituent. Maximum number of substituent. If substituent are maximum, let's say, then we need to choose what beta? Lowest locant. Lowest, जो nearby present है, lowest locant. Then if lowest locant are also same, then we need to last be, remember last always alphabetization. If everything is failed, then you will follow alphabetization. Okay, if alphabetization is also failed, it means compound are identical. Simple. Correct. One more important thing, students. For a cyclic compound, there is one special rule. What the rule? I'm writing here. This is the general order. But if, write down, if all points, right now, write down, if all points are same, यदि सब पॉइंट सेम है my dear, then cyclic is greater than acyclic. Acyclic. We remember cyclic structure is always preferred than acyclic. This is the parent chain selection rule. This is the parent chain selection rule. Okay, now we are moving towards the second one. Numbering of parent chain. Numbering of parent chain. Numbering of parent chain. So guys, how can you give the numbering? So numbering almost you know very well, but I'm telling you something like first अपन को lowest locant ही देखना है, lowest locant. Correct students? And we know very well the rules are almost same. Multiple bond give more priority to than substituent. Okay. We remember this point is important. That's why I'm writing. And then after that, you know very well if all things are same, you can the last one क्या बेटा alpha, alphabetization. The last one is alphabetization. AL आएगा वो alphabetization. Alphabetization. Correct everybody? So now we start the naming of some compounds. Okay, we can practice number of questions right now, so be prepared for that. So write down students. Chaliye. Now we are doing the question almost 25 questions we are right now we are doing. So be prepared for that. And guys, those students who revise the previous things, those doctors who revise the previous work, they will efficiently do the nomenclature of cyclic compounds also. That's why I'm emphasized more on the previous day work. I'm emphasized on the more on the previous day work. Sometimes you are thinking कि today sir not give the homework. My dear students, I give you a most important homework, that is the class notes. Correct? This create a base. यही तो base create करेगा आपका. Okay, so now I'm taking the examples. What are the examples? So write down the first example. Example. Okay, the first one is this one. So guys, how can you give the naming? So there is a concept like cycloalkanes. We called cycloalkanes or cycloalkene. Cycloalkene. So guys, let's say if I'm talking about this one, so it's a cyclo word. Cyclo. What is the parent chain? The parent chain is a 3-carbon chain, whatever may be the number. So cyclopropane, because there is no double bond. We remember in a ring, the triple bond is rarely exist, except the one case only, benzene. Okay, we will deal later this benzene molecule. But beta, we remember generally in the ring we have only single bond or double bond. That's it. That's why we are only considered what beta, cycloalkane and cycloalkane. So the first example is cyclopropane. I hope you may write parallelly. I hope you may write parallelly. Now the second one. Now I'm giving you the example. You may write the answer. Second one. Third one. Okay. Fourth one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Sixth. Sixth. Seventh one. Seventh. Seventh. Try to find out the answers. Try to find out the answer, students. Seventh के बाद eighth. What will be the eighth value? Guys, these are very simple. We have chlorine, eighth. Ninth one, ninth. 10th भी लिखो यार. Okay. Give the answer, students. Please write down only in your notebook rather than to interact in a chat box. Please write down the structures and predict their name with the pencil. If your structure is wrong, you can correct them. Okay. Vidhi, write down in your notebook, beta. Firstly. Okay. Yes, definitely. For cyclo compound, we need to add cyclo. That cyclo word is what, beta? It's a primary prefix. You remember, we always taken substituent as a secondary prefix. Now the question comes from the primary prefix also. Okay. So let's say now I'm giving you the answer. Okay. So here we have cyclo, 4 carbon chain is butane. Butane. And this is what, beta? 1, whatever may be the number you can give, all are same. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's a cyclodecane. So I'm writing it's a cyclodecane. Cyclodecane. Fifth one. Fifth one is what, beta? There are first position we have a substituent. What we may write, it's a 1-methyl, 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 beta, cyclopropane. This is what? 1-methyl cyclopropane. Correct, everybody? So 1-methyl is a secondary prefix. Cyclo is a primary prefix. Prop is a word root. Ane is a primary suffix. Now, if you are looking for this one, guys, this is the very important question. Look at it. If you are assuming this is a parent chain, how many carbon? 3 carbon. And let's say some students, some other students thinking, sir, this is a parent chain. So my dear students, it's a 4 carbon chain. And there is no double bond. It means we give the priority to directly the maximum number of carbon atom. So we can give the numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Why not from right? Because we will get the third position as a substituent. Now, beta, this is what? Cyclopropyl group. So beta, we need to write 2 cyclopropyl, 2 cyclopropyl, propyl, then butane. This is the important question we need to remember. Like parallelly, look at the 10th question. Both are 3 carbon. Both are 3 carbon. So you know very well cyclic give more priority. That's why 1, 2, 3. So we will get what? 1 propyl cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. Propane. Now, beta, seventh question. So, beta, let's say if you are assuming this one, 2, 3. So, how many substituent? Only one substituent. And if you are assuming this one, 2, 3, correct? Or you can say 1, 2, 3. So here we get the two substituent. One is chloro, one is cyclopropyl group. So guys, which one is more better? If we are considered this one, there is a numbering like 2 and 3. We have a substituent. If we give the numbering from here, it's a 1 and 2. So obviously first will be greater rank. That's why their name is what, beta? What will be the seventh name here? So it's a 2 chloro hyphen आएगा 2 chloro. Okay, 2 chloro, 1 2 chloro, 1 cyclopropyl or that is propane. I hope you understand this particular question. Why we consider the open chain? Because sir, you are given me a rule na. Which rule, beta? The rule is simple, sir. Maximum number of multiple bond. There is no bond. Maximum number of carbon, sir. Both have same carbon. Maximum number of substituent, sir. This is present in open chain, not in a cyclic chain. Are you getting my point, students? Sir, why propyl? Beta, propyl group is used when we act as a substituent. Here it acts as a substituent. That's why we write propyl. Substituent always alkyl group. Okay. Sixth question is very easy now. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 per methyl, ethyl. So 1 ethyl cyclopropane. Correct, everybody? I eliminate some points so that you will do a little bit comfortably. You can write down. Write down their name. I highlighted their name. 2 chloro, 1 cyclopropyl propane. Correct. This ninth question is also very important. Students are thinking that every time cyclic group is a main chain. No, it sometimes it may be substituent also. So write down, students, these political points. Sir, we need to give the numbering from chlorine. Beta, Aditya, beta, if you give the numbering from chlorine, so where is this methyl group gone? 3 and 8. Cyclohexane. Third, we have a cyclohexane. Third का cyclohexane. Okay. This 8th and this question is same, na? So I'm taking here 1, 2, 3. We are assuming the parent chain is this one. Are this question and this question is same. So beta 1 per cyclopropyl and 2 per chloro. You know very well chloro have alphabetically firstly then the cyclopropyl ring. Correct. Now I'm giving you the answer. Sir, tell the numbering for 8th question. 8th question के लिए बेटा they are the same one. देखो, look at it, the 8th question. Why are you confused here? Look at it. This is the question. Correct. And this is a chlorine. First, we need to choose parent chain. So you have two options. Either this green belt, either this blue belt, yellow, and either this green belt. So obviously green belt have a more option. Why? Because if we choose this act as a parent chain, so this one and this one, there are maximum 2 substituents. But when we choose yellow as a parent chain, there is only 1 substituent. That's why we choose green belt. So guys, it's a chloro, it's a propyl group. So either you can give numbering from here, either from here. You can't give the numbering from the in between. We remember. Array parent chain, we have only two sides, either left or right, top or bottom. So we need to give the numbering either top, bottom, either left, right. So if I'm giving numbering from here, so 1, 2, 3. सो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट पोजीशन 1,2, इतना तो पता अब हो जाना चाहिए यार. 1 2 3, व्हाट वी गेट 2,3. So beta all India rank 1 1. That's why my numbering this one is correct. So one cyclopropyl, but sir cyclo and we have chloro. Which one alphabetically more sounded? This one. That's why we are writing 2 chloro, 3 cyclopropyl, propane. बोलो बच्चों, डॉक्टर्स बोलो यार अब. स्क्रॉल डाउन कर रहा हूं मैं. हाँ. ओके एवरीबॉडी, I hope you will get. Don't worry, we will practice some more question. If you have some still doubts, so in future questions, everything will be clear. Don't worry. I will give na 25 question. I'm saying 25 question. So I will do 25 question. Okay, doctors. So speak little bit fast. Write little bit fast. Guys, if you are doing operation little bit late, your patient will be dying. You know very well. So you have a habit of doing operation since from class 11th. Oh my God, sir. Oh my God, sir. What are you saying right now? Correct, everybody. So you need to take some hurry point. Otherwise, your patient will be die. And after that, you are saying, "Oh God, I'm unable to save a life today." And you have a whole life. You have a regret. So, my dear students, that's why I'm saying increase your speed. And my one statement, you listen carefully, guys. If you want to touch the stars, you have to pick the velocity of light. If you are thinking, I want to touch the star, but I have to pick the velocity of e-rickshaw. So my dear students, you never touch the stars. Be remember. And if you are thinking कि I reduce the teacher speed, बेटा teacher ने तो stars को छू लिया है. Now it's your turn, my dear. I'm preparing for you. Sir, are you playing GTA game? Oh my God. So now we are moving towards the next question, my dear. चलो लिखो next question लिखो आप. Now write down. I'm little bit थोड़ा space wise लिखूंगा. Okay. 11th question. लिखो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों. प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों. Guys, I'm given you इतना practice कर दूंगा. I'm telling you IUPAC में you are saying sir yes sir I'm perfect. What? IUPAC perfect. Guys be remember यार मेडिकल में इतना नहीं आता है यार. मेडिकल में तो बहुत कम आता है. आई एम डूइंग बहुत ज्यादा. अरे मेडिकल में वेरी कॉन्चम कमिंग. बी रिमेंबर वेरी कॉन्चम मटेरियल इज कमिंग and you are doing no concham, very high material you are doing. Sir, what are you speaking? I'm trying to speak in Telugu. What about the 14th question? I'm unable to watch your messages, so please don't put efforts on that chat box, because every doctor is very happy when they are chatting in a chat box. I know your class habit. I know very well. 14th 15th question. Please write down the question, guys. These are the very important questions. ठीक है. Now I'm talking about 15th question को अपन थोड़ा बाद में करेंगे. ठीक है. Look at it. Okay, so Jasmita, what is the symbol of that? It is a symbol of smile. Could you send screenshot to WhatsApp group? Oh my God, no. Guys, what will be the 11th question answer? So we need to choose what beta. Look at it. Sir, there is no multiple bond. It means we focus on the maximum number of carbon. And sir, maximum carbon is this one. Acha, we need to give numbering. So substituent is this. So definitely we give numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So beta 1 पर क्या है? What is the name of this particular compound? Sir, 1 cyclo. Sir, butyl. Sir, cyclo, hexane. Okay, beta. Sir, this is what? Sir, secondary. Oh, sorry. I will show you. Now it is clear. Secondary prefix. Beta, this is primary prefix. You remember the episode 1 of IUPAC? Array, you remember what I'm saying on that day? You are perfect. to identify secondary prefix, primary prefix. Now you can realize something. Yes, sir. Now I'm unable to like I'm able to identify these things. So guys, have if you have some patience, now definitely you will do. Okay, sir. What you told after the examples due to power cut. But now you need to do these questions. So 11th question, beta, we need to choose the maximum number of carbon because there is no multiple bond. Why you are not following this rule, yaar? Why you are not following this rule? I don't know why you are not following this rule. Here is no multiple bond in first question, 11th question. There is focus on maximum number of carbon. So where is maximum carbon? That is green highlighted. I don't know why you are not focusing. And this is what beta word root. And this is what beta primary suffix. शिशिर बेटा आई एम रियली सॉरी आई एम नॉट सेंडिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स राइट नाउ अब मैं नहीं भेजूंगा कुछ भी नाउ गाइस दिस वन सो इट इज अ क्लोरो it is a bromo so you can give the numbering from bromo so 1 2 3 4 5 6 sir why you are comparing bromo chloro alphabets my dear students if you have some common sense if I'm given numbering from here it will be 1 and 3 yeah 1 and 4 so if I'm given numbering from here 1 4 if I'm giving numbering from here 1 4 so my dear students if parent change same ठीक है lowest locant positions are same so in the end what you need to follow here sir alphabet that's why I'm directly move on the alphabet order so guys this is the correct one first second third and fourth so what is the answer here sir answer is very simple one bromo those students who didn't learn the rules they are unable to solve the questions effectively be remember 4 chloro no one will save Naveen sir will never save you such type of students who are not learn the previous things I'm really sorry yaar. If I'm putting 100% effort so you need to apply 200% because it's your exam it's not my exam the same formula apply here it's a ethyl and it's a methyl so which one have more priority first so first second third fourth sir why you choose alphabet directly same reason my dear there is no double bond maximum carbon we have already choose lowest locant either from up either from down both have same 1 4 position that's why we need to choose the order of alphabet so from here my dear so you know very well when we give the numbering the lowest numbering is 1 2 3 4 correct so now we can check what beta we can check the what I'm saying I'm check the alphabets so if I'm given from here so one f for fluoro and here one for iodo beta f will come first fluorine so that's why 1 2 3 4 so beta now you can give the name how can you give the name my dear it's a bromo it's a chloro it's a fluoro it's a iodo so I think 2 chloro no sorry 3 bromo 3 bromo 3 bromo 2 chloro 1 fluoro 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 4 iodo मजा आता तुमको पढ़ाने में आयोडो अरे आयोडो की क्या स्पेलिंग लिख दी 4 iodo write down in your notebook please so 2 bromo 3 sorry it's a 3 na sorry 3 bromo 2 chloro 1 fluoro 4 iodo and this is cyclohexane answer in front of you sir why not bromine first okay very good question but tvik raman said that why not bromine sir okay I'm taking your thinking all right just give me a 1 second yaar guys according to my point of view this is the correct numbering okay I'm highlighted with the green portion 1 2 3 4 okay now I'm thinking to your point of view what you are thinking you are saying sir first we need to take bromo okay then sir chloro okay then 3 okay so what is the substituent position 1 2 3 6 and from my numbering it is 1 2 3 4 oh my god all India rank 4 will win the match rather than 6. Are you getting my point, everybody, doctors? अरे बोलो यार. Are you getting, guys? First we need to choose lowest locant. First we need to choose guys. Organic chemistry one funda is there. Sir, why not start from iodine? अरे मेरे प्यारे slow का बेटा मेरी प्यारी प्यारी बच्ची. If we are taken from here बेटा one ido and one fluoro f. So we need to choose what? Alphabet. Why we need to choose alphabet? Look at it here, everybody. फिर भूल गए क्या पढ़ा यार तुमने. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है यार, क्लास नोट्स आप पढ़ते ही नहीं हो, बिल्कुल भी नहीं पढ़ते आप सभी. गाइज नाउ अगेन लुक एट इट. अरे क्या करा मैंने. हाँ, look at it everybody, look at it. If I'm starting from iodine, definitely their numbering is 1 2 3 4. So if numbering are same, then we choose alphabets na. If numbering are same, that's why we choose fluoro. Slow का बेटा समझ में आया आपको? Slow का बेटा, if I'm start from iodine, okay आ गया ना आपको समझ में? Okay. So this is all from the alkane part, cycloalkane part. Okay, guys, the key concept here. If you are not following these rules, you are unable to solve the question. Simple. And guys, you are thinking this is a idli. Beta, it's not a idli. It is a sambar. And you know very well sambar makes a taste of idli, dosa and everything. So beta, this is a dosa beta. This is a sambar beta. Sambar, tasty sambar. So multiple bond give more priority than the substituent. Okay, now we will practice the next questions. Guys, write down this answer. Answer लिख लो यार. अरे doctors answers लिख लो. Guys, I'm telling you today the Guru Mantra. What is Guru Mantra? I will give you a Guru Mantra today. Are you ready to receive the Guru Mantra, everybody? Are you ready? No one is ready. ये सब मूर्ख है. Guys, today I'm giving you the Guru Mantra. My dear, I'm today. Yes, one student say yes, Guruji. So, guys, listen carefully. Chatters, stop it. So, guys, I'm telling you, whenever you do the nomenclature, na, let's say if you are thinking it may be the correct numbering, so you can give the numbering that you are assuming. Ki, sir, this is the correct numbering, and then beta apply the rules. Simply apply the rules directly. अपन को क्या करना है, डायरेक्टली रूल को अप्लाई करना है. करेक्ट रूल्स मींस सर मल्टीपल बॉन्ड, मैक्सिमम कार्बन, मैक्सिमम सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. डेफिनेटली you will get the error. Be remember. One student says, sir, please tell the 13th question answer. Beta 12th and 13 both are Anna and Tamidu. This is Tamidu, this is Anna. Why, sir? Beta here we are following the same thing. What? 1 ethyl, 4 methyl. So guys, if you are thinking this may be the correct answer, you can give the name. Don't worry. Actually, you have a phobia. You have a fear that अरे गलत तो नहीं हो जाएगा. अरे बेटा गलत कुछ नहीं होता. You are learning by some mistakes. चलो. Okay. Guys, organic का यही फंडा है सीखने का. Now guys, write down the next topic. Sir, you are saying 25 question. अरे रुक तो जा यार, रुक तो जा. Naming of cycloalkenes. I'm telling you, those students who are very active during the learning period. Guys, be remember the online class and offline class, there will be no difference at all. Be remember. Okay, I'm coming. Just wait for a while. I'm coming. Ruko. Wait. There are a lot of ants are there due to some sweet material present there. and we need to take this chalk. Hmm. Write down the cycloalkene. Chalo, question likho. Write down the questions. Naming of cycloalkenes now. So that's example number 16. Okay. Oh, sir, you are so clever. Write down this one. 16th one. 17th likho beta. If you follow the rules, you are able to solve each and every question. Be remember. That's my words. 18th question. What is the 19th question? What is 20 question, beta? What is 20? What is 2020? 21. 21. 22. 23. 23. Fluorine here, okay? We have a single bond, okay? 24. I'm giving you a beautiful question. Very beautiful, very lovable question these are. Chalo. Try to solve these questions in your notebook. Sir, you are just joking the class. Sometime. Sir, please explain the difference between 7th and 8th. What is the difference between 7 and 8th? Because 7 and 8th both are same. I'm saying earlier also. 7 and 8th both are the same question. Okay. फिफ्टीन क्वेश्चन आपको देखना है. अच्छा 15. अच्छा यू आर सेइंग नंबरिंग. ओके कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. 16 लिख लो यार. टेंशन मत लिया करो. चलो गाइस कैन वी स्टार्ट द नंबरिंग. ओके देखो नेमिंग देखो ध्यान से. लिसन स्टूडेंट्स. सर here we have a double bond. It means we give the priority firstly to the multiple bond, then sir maximum number of carbon, then sir we need to choose the substituent, maximum number of substituent. फोर्थ वन substituent के बाद क्या आता था? Substituent के बाद alphabets you can say. So obviously this is a parent chain, only one parent chain is there, this one is a parent chain. Okay, and obviously we give the priority to the multiple bond. So 1 2 3 guys, be remember you need to cover the double bond. It's not like one and you may write 2 here. No, it's a wrong thing. You need to cover complete the double bond firstly. Sometimes students are saying sir why we are not writing 2 above. So you need to cover the 2 with the double bond beta. Be remember. So beta what is the answer here? Answer is very simple sir. Sir please write down with the red pen. Okay, cyclo prop one position we have. Guys, we start with the first position, not the two, because double bond present started from the first position. So prop one in. So this is the 16th question. Now write down the second one. Now guys, this is the substituent. This is the parent chain. Okay, because we need to give the priority to a double bond. That is okay. Now guys, which one have a more priority? Substituent and double bond. Look at the rules. Look at the rules, my dear. Look at the rules. Which one have a more priority? Obviously double bond. So if we have a double bond more priority, guys, so we need to cover this double bond firstly. अपन को complete करना होगा. We need to cover completely. It's not like 1 2. It's wrong. We need to cover the double bond perfectly. Then we need to write 3. Correct, everybody? Be remember these rules. Okay. So we are getting what, beta? 3 methyl. This is a secondary prefix. Then beta cycloprop. Directly लिख सकते cyclopropene because it's present at first position na. So no need to write 1 also. Both are correct. Now 18th question, I think it's very simple. Cyclobutene. It's a देखो, if I'm writing here 1, so please don't write like that. No, it's a wrong. We need to cover 1 2 3 4, or either you can give the numbering from the left hand side. Both are correct. So it's a cyclobuta 1,3-diene. Here also 1 2 3 4 5. So what the name, beta? Sir, cyclopentane. Correct. Sir, we need to specify the position. If it is first position, you need not to specify, beta. You need not to specify. Sir, is a 3 is a methyl or ethyl? I think 3 is only a methyl, beta. It's only one single bond, na? It's not kind of these things. So it is only the methyl. How it is ethyl, beta? Tell me. Okay. So now here, so it's a cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. What is the name here? So now guys, here either you can give numbering from here, or either you can give numbering from above side, like 1 2. So obviously red pen will have correct marking. Why? 1 2 double bond, 1 2 double bond. It means substituent at one position. So this is the wrong one. So what is the name here? 1 methyl cyclohexene. Cyclohex 1 in लिख सकते हैं और directly cyclohexene भी लिख सकते हैं. Both are correct. Now here, first we need to give priority from here. Can anybody tell me 1 2 3 4 5 6? Okay. And if I'm given numbering from here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So guys, if I'm given the red pen, so 1 2 per double bond and beta 3 6. And if we are talking about this pen, so 1 2 per double bond and beta 3 6 per substituent. Now look at it. We need to check what. Can anybody tell me here? Sarmista, good. Ritvik, red, that is correct. But I'm telling you which we choose, like why we choose the red or why we choose the blue one. So definitely, sir, when numbering are same, we need to give the priority to the bromo alphabet. So sir, alphabet 3 here and 3 here chloro, sir. It means red. Oh, sorry. 3 we have a bromo, na? 3 here we have a chloro. So bromo have more priority. So what will be the name here, my dear? Red का क्या नाम होगा? Sir, 3 bromo, 6 chloro. Guys, I think now you understand कि sir, today nowadays you are not given any concept. I'm not giving you any concept. We are just revise the previous rules. 3 bromo, 6 chloro, cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. It's a 23. Now 24. So my dear, the same thing. Array, it's a Anna Tamdu. Anna and Tamdu. Remember 8th and 9th, 7th and 8th question. So it's a methyl, it's a ethyl. So can anybody give me an answer? Sorry. So it's a 3 methyl hyphen 6 hyphen. Then beta what? 6 के बाद क्या आएगा? 6 methyl ethyl. क्या कर रहा हूं मैं? I'm doing the wrong thing. Sorry. कितनी चलो बेटा. हाँ guys. So what I'm giving the name here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sir, 3 ethyl because E will come first. Then 6 methyl. I'm telling you, those students who are not revised the previous things, na, they are getting trouble. They are saying, ki, sir, you are fast. They are given just excuse. Actually, they are not revised previous things. They just give the excuse, ki, sir, you are fast. That's why I'm unable to get. They never accept that. Guys, be remember, if you accept your faults, na, if you accept your faults and you can work on it. If you are doing these two things now, no one will stop you. Be remember. 6-methyl cyclohexane. In the last week, I accepted that, yeah, I'm little bit fast, yeah. I accept these things. Because if there are some error, definitely you need to accept these things. Hexene. Write down. Write down, write down. Cyclohexene. Preetham. Very nice, yeah. I hope you have some clarity about this cyclo compounds. Now we are moving toward 25 question. लिखो 25 क्वेश्चन लिखो 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 लिखते रहो आज तुम. You are becoming happy. (26 question). Try to solve these questions, guys. My humble request, it's better you can write down in your notebook rather than the chat box. सर मेरे सब सही निकल रहे हैं, सिर्फ 2 गलत हैं. ऋषिकेश, it means you almost becoming a perfect. Can you please show the top part when I want to take screenshot? Why? There is no need to take screenshot. I am giving you sufficient time. Write down. Write down in a class. यार आप क्लास में लिख रहे हो पैरेलली. एवरीबॉडी इज रिटन राइट नाउ पैरेलली. अगर आप क्लास की स्पीड को भी कवर नहीं कर सकते तो नीट को क्या कवर करोगे यार. गाइस थोड़ा फास्ट लिखो यार. नाउ आई एम गिवन यू अ टाइम. सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग राइट नाउ? जस्ट ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर एंड देन राइट द आंसर्स. आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्ट. मैं आपको बहुत टाइम देता हूं. आई एम गिविंग यू सफिशिएंट टाइम. Okay. So guys, this is the first question. So you can give either from this side, any side. So it's a 1,2 dimethyl cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. This one, beta, obviously 1, 2, 3. So it's a 1,3 dimethyl cyclohexene. Cyclohexene. This one, my dear, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct, everybody? Why we are giving numbering from here? Beta, all India rank 1 will always win. You know very well. Double bond तो आना ही है completely. So it's a 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexene. I think everybody got the correct answer. बेटा ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा अभी तो मैंने पढ़ाया भी नहीं है प्रीतम. Why are you considered ortho meta para? Can you please explain that particular point? Why you are taken ortho meta para? Guys, that's why I'm saying ki please follow me. Okay, and this ortho meta para concept will never work on this kind of compounds. Never. Be remember, ortho meta para only work in a benzene ring and with respect to someone. Okay, let's say I'm telling you guys this is a road. This is a road, my dear. Can anybody tell me this is a position of A molecule? Is it present on a back side or a front side? Can anybody tell me? So you don't know about this position. Why? Because you need to relate them, my dear. Relate. You can't say anything. Now if I'm saying here I'm present there. Now you can say. Now you can say they can stand in front of N. So my dear, this ortho meta para, please forget these things, yeah. Otherwise, other doctors will getting confused. 27 question. Write down the next question. Write down the next question. Write down the next question. A very, very beautiful question. Very beautiful. It's like you can look at it. It's a one position, it's a two position, it's a three position. You can look at it like episode one, episode two, episode three. Now it's a final episode I'm giving you. Which one? Yes. Can you please give the name in the chat box rather than in your class notebook? Come on, guys. Come on, come on. अरे प्रीतम सॉरी क्यों बोलते हो यार? Just chill. देखो बस मुझे एक्सेप्ट मेरी चीजों को मान लिया करो यार, बस मैं ये कहूंगा आपको. I'm saying give the name of 28 question. Give the name, guys. 3-methyl. Oh, sorry. I'm really sorry. Sorry, yaar. Huh. Now you can give the answer. Otherwise, it's a laddu question. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Give me an answer of this question. Yes. So I think you will give the answer like that. I think 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Isn't it? Is it the correct one? Say yes or no simply. This is correct. Vigna beta. Maza aa gaya. Your answer is correct. Only Vigna give me a correct answer. Only Vigna give me a correct answer. Only Vigna. Except Vigna, nobody is correct here. Sloka, wrong beta. When I'm saying beta, is it right or wrong? First, you need to check. This is wrong beta. Beta, there is 2-methyl group. Rishikesh, wrong beta. That's why I'm saying you never remember these rules. You forget the rules every time. And then after that you are saying, sir, we don't know UPSC. अरे बेटा rules तो याद करो पहले. Only Vigna give me a correct answer. Everybody got the wrong answer. Everybody except Vigna. Jasmita give me a correct answer right now. Jasmita and Vigna now. Now Rishikesh also give me a correct answer. Very clever. So 3 students, 3 doctors which are very specialist of neurology. They are the neurologists. Okay, they know very well, sir, what I fold. Komali, correct answer. Komali correct. Komali correct. Komali correct. Renuka correct. Now we are get the answers. My dear students, are laddu bachcho. Are laddu bachcho. If I'm given numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the red color substituent position? Sir, 1 and 6. And here, sir, 2 and 3. Are beta 1 and 2. Which one have all India rank 1? All India rank 1 is better na. Look at it, your mistake. After practicing 100 to 100 questions, still you are not getting the exact one, the lowest locant rule. This is the position of you right now. And you are saying, sir, everything is clear. Guys, everything is clear, but you are not practicing the class notes at least. अरे class notes तो पढ़ लिया करो अच्छे से. This is the situation of the class. I'm really sorry, but I'm really sorry. Sir, you confused me. I'm not confused me. I'm giving you a question directly. 1, 2, 3, is it the correct or wrong? Simply. मैंने simple बोला है और मैं confuse करूंगा विधि. Because question paper, when you face question paper in NEET, they will definitely confuse you. वो confuse करेगा आपको. And if you are becoming a real doctor, you need to put out this confusion in one side. So everybody, आज मजा नहीं आया पढ़ाने में, फील नॉट गुड, टेस्ट नॉट गुड, पढ़ ही नहीं रहे हो आप नोट्स भी नहीं पढ़ रहे हो यार, एटलीस्ट क्लास के नोट्स तो पढ़ो यार, नोट्स तक नहीं पढ़ रहे हो आप। 28 क्वेश्चन, 29 गाइस, डीपीपी आपके पास, डिड यू हैव एनी डीपीपी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, डिड यू हैव ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री डीपीपी? If you have organic chemistry DPP, Vidhi, please tell me the DPP, up to which DPP we have covered. Check the questions beta, check the questions, up to which DPP we have like almost covered these things till cycloalkanes, you can say. सर गजब बेइज्जती है, ओ माय गॉड, बेइज्जती नहीं होती बेटा क्लास में, कभी भी बेइज्जती नहीं होती है, अपन यहाँ पर गलतियां करते हैं और एग्जाम में परफेक्ट करते हैं, दैट्स माय काइंड ऑफ यू कैन से रूल्स, क्लास में गलत करो बट फ्यूचर में करेक्ट करो। DPP 1 only we covered, no, we are not covered DPP number 2, we have covered more than one DPP I think। यार कुछ भी नहीं है मेरे पास अभी। विधि, जस्मिता, शर्मिष्ठा, you can check the DPP 1 2 3, is the 2 DPP is like not out of the syllabus, please tell me, DPP 3 is not out the syllabus, please tell me, so that I can give you today homework of DPP 1 2 3, 3 DPP you need to solve so that you have some practice। 29 क्वेश्चन को देखो, try to check यार, हाँ, it's better you can send me a pic, only Vidhi send me, Vidhi, did you have any phone right now? If you have a phone, you can send me the third DPP front page, that's it, I will identify them whether you have done or not, if you are unable to find out। अरे वैस बेटा, प्लीज मेक मी होस्ट यार, आर यू देयर? SB वैष्णवी है, हु इज दैट गाय? मेक मी होस्ट बेटा प्लीज। वैष्णवी, हाँ वैष्णवी, वैष्णवी, guys you need to solve DPP 1 DPP 2 DPP 3, that is your homework। what is the homework of today class? DPP 1 DPP 2 DPP 3, and tomorrow I will give you answer as well as discuss these things, correct? कोई नहीं यार, आप को होस्ट को मैसेज करो यार, वो बच्ची सुन नहीं रही है क्लास में आई थिंक। I know very well, सर 29 क्वेश्चन दो. 29 क्वेश्चन. अच्छा guys, this is your homework, so you need to write down dpp 1 2 3. Okay, dpp 1 2 3 and then tomorrow homework भी ले लो यार. अभी अभी से ही ले लो यार, अभी से ले लो बच्चों. Then after that you need to solve 4 dpp, 5 dpp and the 6 dpp. 6 dpp. So this is your tomorrow homework. Can you read, please read dpp first question. नहीं, अरे dpp first question क्या होता है? Organic chemistry dpp है, stable valency of carbon is. So you need to solve first tomorrow first 3 and the day after tomorrow 4 5 6. Correct? If you don't have an dpp, contact your class in charge. That's it. It's organic chemistry. Saksham Samarth MA MB chemistry. That is a booklet, I think. Saksham Samarth MA MB chemistry. Correct. If you have some doubt, you can contact your class in charge. Please don't ask to me about these things. Okay, I'm not the part of this like kind of discussion, sir. Where the dpp, what is the dpp name? Beta, there is only one dpp of organic chemistry. They are provided you. Okay. So 29 question. 29 question लिखो आप सब. What is the 29 question? Look at it. अब ये लड्डू क्वेश्चन है यार. Look at it. Give me an answer of 29 question. 29, 30 question लिखो. Ooh. 30 question, एक last question और लिख लो. I'm saying I'm given you 25 question and now I'm doing 30th question. Flow में चला जाता है यार. Give me an answer of this question, students. Give me an answer of these questions. Guys, here the triad. Oh my God, Hemant, beta, we never use triad. We use try word, beta. So guys, first we need to give priority. So either we are given here. So it's a 4 position. And if I'm given from here 1, 2, 3, it's a 3 position. So 3, 4 and 5. This is the correct one. So you may write 3, 4, 5 trimethyl cyclohexene. You can check, yeah, we give the priority to what? Multiple bond. Cyclohexene. You need not to mention one in. And from here, my dear students, this is the very important one. Actually, there is a parent chain and there is a substituent parent chain also. So it's a 1 dash 2 dash. It's a 1 dash 2 dash. Correct. So this group name, iska group ka naam kya hoga? Can anybody tell me what is the group name here? So you may write, sir, 1 dash methyl ethyl. Correct, everybody? And this is a complex substituent. You remember why I'm writing separately? There is a reason. A. I'm given the name as A. Here the name is 1 dash dimethyl. And beta, for complex substituent we consider D word as a sub alphabetization. Remember the rule? You forget the rule. Very good, doctor. In front of patient you are saying I forget the addition. Look at it. Wait. I can open my notes, then I will tell you. Okay, अनुष्का, अभी के लिए थोड़ा मैनेज कर लो यार. Okay, guys, have you done 29 so that we can zoom this 30 question? Okay, look at it. Now I think it's a little bit easy to identify them. So it's a 1 dimethyl one. I'm talking about this one. So one position per we have 1 dimethyl and then beta ethyl. And this is the B. And the overall is what, beta? Cyclohexene. So guys, obviously both are same at same position. So beta, here we have a M word, here we have a D word. So which one have more priority? D. So you may write firstly B, then you may write A, and then beta, obviously these words. Answer. This is the answer, students. So B A cyclohexene. Correct. You may write, guys. बोलो यार. Okay. Now I'm giving you a little bit confused question. Vidhi, don't be confused. Okay. This time we won't consider right, right, etc. Oh my God. Abhi gonna check it. Check it for complex substituent, beta. For complex substituent, we use the word di-tri-tetra for alphabetization. Okay. So it's a 1,1 dash dimethyl ethyl. Please write down this one. Sloka Srinivasan. Yeah, everybody forget the rule. Now you are saying, sir, you said, you said. I'm not said these words. I'm not said these words. No. Sloka, you are wrong. Why you are wrong? I will tell you. Why you are wrong. I will show you. Don't worry. I have a notes. I will show you. आप पढ़ते नहीं हो ना क्लास में. आप क्लास तो नोट्स पढ़ते नहीं हो. Now you are saying, sir, you are wrong. I will show you. Don't worry. Hopefully I have. Look at it. Look at it. What is this? What I said to you. I am saying di-tri-tetra word. Look at it. This is the red, this one. For complex substituent. What is this, beta? Can you please पढ़कर बताओ बेटा. श्लोका. श्लोका सुनाओ. अभिगना. Where is Abhigana? Tell me, beta. What is the point written? Fourth point. This is the fourth point. Considered for alphabetization. Look at it. No, don't say sorry, beta. Don't say sorry. There is no matter of sorry right now. I'm saying ki go through your class notes. That is the point, beta. So whenever you forget these things, you just say one word. You okay, sir? I will revise one more time. That is the good word rather than the sorry. What is sorry? Nothing. Sorry is not a good word. You know very well. And in मुझे sorry पे sorry अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है. हाँ, that is your good word. You okay, sir? I will revise. That is the perfect word, my dear. Correct. Sorry बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता यार. You are my little brother sisters, yeah. So you don't take kind of like things. आपको फिर से पढ़ना होगा. Correct. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Now guys, we are moving towards. चलो अब अपन पढ़ते हैं. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं. वेरी टफ क्वेश्चन. बहुत ही ज्यादा टफ है. Very tough. 31 question and 32. Okay, let's see how many students get the correct answer. And please don't be confused. Sir, these notes you didn't give na. Obviously, Renuka, I will provide you a sufficient time for writing. So why? Beta, dekho, I'm telling you these things are the best if you are writing parallelly. If you still sometime you are missed na, so it's better you can make one friend of your class. They will provide you a PDF of that particular day. So it's depend on you, yaar, whether you are working on a smart way or not. करेक्ट. यू आर सेइंग सर अभी तक तो मैं अपने किसी दोस्त से मिला नहीं हूँ. लाइक विधि है. विधि कितनी अच्छी है. यू कैन मेक अ फ्रेंडशिप विद विधि. रेणुका. श्लोका यार. ठीक है. श्लोका तो कितने अच्छे से लोग को तो एक दिन तो मेरे साथ भी फ्रैंक हो रही थी. श्लोका, हेलो सर, कैसे हैं आप, हाउ आर यू सर. आई एम सेइंग चलो निकलो यहाँ से. सो वी आर गेटिंग दिस वन. आई हैव ऑलरेडी सर. सो बस देयर इज नो टेंशन एट ऑल. सो नाउ guys, we have this molecule. Now can you please give the name of this molecule? Your laddo sir. मेरी लाडो. सही बोला, सही बोला. शिशिर ने सही बोला. Shishir, give me the answer of this question. Very impressive question this is, beta. Very impressive. Very, very impressive. मम्मा मैं थक गया. So guys, basically first you need to choose multiple bonds. So this is the multiple bond we have maximum one. Sometimes students do what? They choose the outer chain also. My dear, either you choose closed chain, either you choose open chain. We remember. What will be this group name? It connected at first position. So 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of. Okay. So it's a 1. 1 पर क्या है बेटा ये? What is the group name here? It's a ethinyl. So one ethinyl cyclopenta 1,3 diene. Correct everybody? अरे बोलो बच्चों, बच्चों बोलो, बच्चों बोलो. Okay, I'm given you 32 question. Look at it, the 32 question. Chalo. Let's say if we have this compound. So guys, in this case, we need to choose open chain as a parent because if we choose this as a parent chain, this will remain left. So in this way, you will choose the parent chain is only one carbon. Be remember in such type of case, if more than alicyclic ring, more than one alicyclic ring is attached to a single chain, then single chain is considered to be the parent chain. So please give the name 32, 33. Write down the 33. Let's say if I'm given you one more 6 carbon chain, okay, 6 carbon chain, okay. Oh my god, sir, what a molecule, fabulous molecule. All are 6 membered. So we need to choose the open chain as a parent chain. Sir, I'm a new joiner, I don't have an idea about this topic. Vishnu beta, you can go through the previous classes. Yeah, that's the only option I have. Okay, if you are saying give me a recap beta, it's not possible right now. So it's better we have a 6-hour class of the previous week, you can go through it. New joiner have some problem in the initial days. You are saying sir 32 वाला गजब है sir. 32 अच्छा. So guys, here we have one carbon, मिथाइल मानना है इसको. So first position पर ही क्या है, at 1 1 1 we have a tri cyclo propyl and then methane. Laddu similarly 1 2. So guys, here 1 1 2 2 tetra cyclohexyl ethane. Correct everybody? मत बोलो यार, मत बोलो. चलो एक क्वेश्चन और लो. Sir, please stop it, sir. Today we have a lot of practice, sir. Please stop it. Why we are stopping? Why? Which one you are? Gana Kirtana? I'm saying, beta. Listen again. Okay. Listen, guys. 32 and 33 question. Listen carefully. I'm saying, beta. If we have more than one cyclic compounds are present, so we are choosing open chain as a parent chain. That is green colored already marked. So you can give the numbering like 1 2. So 1 1 we have two position. 1 1 have two group and 2 2 have two more groups. So we are writing 1 1 2 2 tetracyclohexyl. It's a cyclohexyl group and beta 2 carbon we called ethane. Similarly, like 32, 1 1 1 cyclopropyl methane. Okay. Now you can give the name of this particular compound. Now we have 34 question. Likho. Guys, this molecule is used in organic lab. It is a good solvent, very good solvent. Can you please give the name? Can you please give the name? So it's a 1,1 hexyl methane. Correct everybody? The short form is DCM and DCM is a good solvent, good organic solvent. We are using in the lab. We are using in the chemistry lab, DCM. Everybody done? Sir, how it is methane? Oh my god. Beta, what I'm saying, if we have more than one, I think you are not listening, Miss Loka, beta. I'm saying, beta, listen. If we have more than one cyclic ring, we need to choose open chain as a parent chain. Open chain as a parent chain. Open chain as a parent chain. So, beta, only one carbon. Oh my God. One student says, sir, give me one more question. ले लो भाई एक क्वेश्चन और ऋषिकेश आपकी बात मानते हैं नहीं तो आप बोलेंगे सर यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग मी राइट डाउन वन मोर क्वेश्चन ओ बेटा ले बेटा अच्छा क्वेश्चन लो look at it give the name this is a double bond okay so we give the priority to a ring only be remember we are not given the priority to this particular one so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 so guys this group you remember methylidine MD21824 so beta is there any problem from your side beta methylidine cyclohexane remember are yesterday we did that particular part MD21824 Manisha I'm saying beta is there any problem with this point you are asking me na sir okay that is okay if you have some problem then I am in trouble okay if you are happy सर आज हाफ सेंचुरी मार दो आदित्य यार क्या कर रहे हो यार आप डीपीपी 123 है ना उसकी सेंचुरी मारना चलो गाइज आई एम गिवन यू वन मोर होमवर्क one more homework you remember you prepare a table of secondary prefix table you remember oh sorry secondary suffix table you remember guys secondary suffix table 12 functional group are there if you remember that is good if you are not remember so you need to remember 12 functional group please make a table after these things in your fair notebook please make a table again and you need to learn each and every functional group with their name at least their name because from tomorrow onward we can start functional group from tomorrow onward we can start functional group sir once the open we have a chemistry lab practicals samista I'm really sorry I don't think we have some kind of setup in future it may be happen but right now we don't have any kind of facility I think according to my point of view okay hopefully like in future they will provide some lab kind of things but I don't know about their plans because I'm having a very hectic schedule of 8-hour class after that I will not focus on their plans and all these things सर राउंड फिंगर मार दो नहीं यार अब बहुत हो गया न्यूमेरिकल यार 35 क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करता है कोई क्लास में कोई भी नहीं करता है कोई टीचर नहीं करवाता है बेटा बेटा cyclohexane I'm saying what I'm saying cyclohexane and guys you need to write down the table अरे ऋषिकेश मुझे नहीं पता यार ये सब बातों का अब मैं बोलूंगा नहीं अब वो मैनेजमेंट बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं हम तो लैब बनाएंगे अब क्या करें बताओ मैनेजमेंट का सर व्हेन वी विल गेट आवर रैंक most probably on Wednesday I think sir these are so much interesting okay sir Mista that's a good thing at least guys IUPAC is a very easy topic initially sometimes students are getting trouble but after like kind of family man I'm saying na it's the family man episode 1 2 3 so after getting 6 7 episode na you know very well how to deal with the IUPAC so guys you need to make a table here it's your duty it's not my duty and from tomorrow onward we can continue with the functional group so अपन functional group को पढ़ेंगे फिर ठीक है अभी के लिए क्या करना है अब मैं आपके डाउट्स ले लेता हूं तो अगर आपके डाउट्स हैं शीट प्रॉब्लम्स हैं या कोई जर्नल डाउट्स हैं सो यू कैन आस्क मी विद इन 10 minutes we have sir in which case hexyl should be given hexyl any alkyl group alkyl means secondary prefix if we have a alkyl it means it is a secondary prefix beta it means they are not present in a parent chain then we choose il word beta Pritam beta okay last episode of family man no we don't have a last episode I think This is the like 3 episodes are remaining right now. I think after 3 episodes उड़ा दोगे सबको, सबको उड़ा दोगे, कोई नहीं बचेगा। हाँ चलो सर, इन 1 DPP दे गिव सर क्लास में अभी बता सकते हैं सर, एग्जाम के लिए बैठेंगे तो क्वेश्चन को देखने में डर लगता है सर, इस संडे एग्जाम में मेरे हाथ ऐसा ही हुआ। ऋषिकेश बेटा अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे क्वेश्चंस का तो ऐसा नहीं होगा। सर एक्सप्लेन द मिथाइलिडीन साइक्लोहेक्सेन। बेटा this group act as a substituent and their substituent we have methylidine and 6 carbon chain we have a cyclohexane. Okay, when we use word tetra when we have a 4 group beta. सर आपने फैमिली मैन देखा? यस बेटा। in 1 DPP they give empirical formula in given sir. What does mean empirical formula? You can take the ratio Vigna beta, Vigna, let's say C6H6. So what is the number here? 6:6, cancel out, so you will get CH. This CH is a empirical formula my dear. Sir DCM full form क्या है? अरे बेटा ये क्या है? डाइसाइक्लो हेक्साइल मीथेन, ये फुल फॉर्म है DCM का। ठीक है, रोना आ गया। ठीक है, अरे बच्चों बोलो यार, क्यूट से बच्चे हो तुम सभी, वेरी क्यूटी क्यूटी। सब डॉक्टर्स क्यूट होते हैं ना, दे आर लाइक हैव मोर पेशेंस काइंड ऑफ थिंग। लाइक सामने लिखा हुआ है DCM का फुल फॉर्म, स्टिल कि सर प्लीज बता दो। गाइस दिस इज डाइसाइक्लोहेक्साइल मीथेन। ओके सारा बेटा, सारा सानिया। Okay, one student in like my BSc second year whose name is also Sara. बट उसे मेरा समझ नहीं आता था, वो बोलती थी सर मुझे आपका समझ नहीं आता है, बस अच्छा लगता है सर। हम सेइंग बेटा अच्छा लगना और समझ आना इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग। समझ आना चाहिए, अच्छा क्या लगना है। गाइस नेक्स्ट 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 नेक्स्ट, कोई प्रॉब्लम कोई बात? यू आर अ चैटर बॉक्स ना सर। व्हेन वी विल 8 राइट टेट्रा सर, गाना कीर्तना टेट्रा मींस 4 ग्रुप। So beta whenever we have a 4 group substituent 4 substituent, so then we use tetra word beta. शीट, अच्छा शीट का क्वेश्चन है ना, एक मिनट रुको यार, फिर शीट ओपन करना पड़ेगा। जसमिता इट्स बेटर यू कैन गिव मी एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन, एक्सरसाइज 1 पार्ट 1 A3 A5 काइंड ऑफ थिंग। सर आप आशीष चंचलानी की वीडियोस देखते हो क्या? अरे नहीं नहीं हेमंत यार, मैं अपनी वीडियो भी नहीं देख पाता हूँ भाई। एक्सरसाइज 1 मैं किसी को नहीं देखता भाई। सर फ्रॉम फॉर दिस सम which table we should read? Beta the table of secondary suffix, that is functional group table, you need to remember their substitute their name and their functional group. Sheet of IUPAC. Exercise 1 question number 6. This is the question beta, which of the following compound has sp sp2 and sp3 hybrid? Jasmita, okay ठीक है, thank you. Look at it, this particular question. Look at it. What is the second homework? We have already mentioned. यार आपको यार सुनता नहीं है क्या सबको यार एक साथ? मैंने क्या बोला? DPP 1 2 3 एंड सेकेंडरी सफिक्स टेबल। सर व्हाई मोर गर्ल्स प्रेफर्ड बिकमिंग डॉक्टर देन बॉयज? यार ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। लेट्स सी आप मुझे डिस्काउंट देते हो कि नहीं, लेट्स सी। अरे बच्चों ये देखो क्वेश्चन देखो, ये बातें करने में ना सब आ गए हैं। सर वेयर यू आर स्टे इन हैदराबाद? बेटा वहां पर रहता हूं मैं। अरे क्या था उसका नाम? अरे जहां बुद्धा स्टैचू है, जहां बुद्धा स्टैचू है, शिशिर, बुद्धा स्टैचू के पास बेटा। हुसैन, यस यस, हुसैन सागर के बिल्कुल मिडल में बेटा, बुद्धा स्टैचू के बिल्कुल साइड में, बिल्कुल साइड में। यस यस करेक्ट करेक्ट, बुद्धा स्टैचू के बिल्कुल बैक साइड में। वहां पर एक बोट है, बोट के आगे मेरा घर है। ठीक है, कभी आना मिलने। चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 को देखो। अभी मैं अपने घर पर हूँ यार, आई एम जस्ट, देखो बेटा, जस्मिता, शर्मिष्ठा, जस्मिता, शर्मिष्ठा, सबका नाम सेम सेम है, CH3H। Which of the following have sp sp2 sp3? तो बेटा दिस इज sp3, दिस इज बेटा ओनली one pi bond sp2, two pi bond sp2, one pi bond, three sigma bonds sp3. Correct. Let's say if I'm talking about third, I think you have a problem in third, CH3, C triple bond, C single bond, C triple bond, CH. So it's a 2 pi bond sp, 2 pi bond sp, 2 pi bond sp, 2 pi bond sp, all are sigma sp3. So there is no sp2. What about B option? B option, there is no sp bond. Correct. Sp hybridization is not there. Sorry, I went there so many times, but I didn't see you. Right now I am at my hometown ना वेदी, that's why. क्या यार, मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था वेदी। अब बुद्धा पार्क के साथ में कौन रहेगा यार, वहां उस सागर के बीच में, क्या यार। सेक्शन ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। माय गॉड हेमंत, कंट्रोल। नाउ वी हैव 10th क्वेश्चन। which is not the homologous of propene? So beta, ethene is also homologous, butene is also homologous. Homologous means they have du same, molecular formula same. Yes, those students who didn't have any problem, they can leave the class without any problem. Okay, butene is also a homologous beta. Beta, cyclopropane. These three, A, B, C are in and D is in. So it's a double bond. It's not a double bond. So how it is homologous? They have same functional group now. That's why D is the correct answer. Sir, आप मजाक किया मेरे को. Bye sir, stay safe sir. Thank you. Same to you beta. Same to you sir, Mista. Is there any other doubt, or we can also leave? After that I am little bit free today, so I'm going to. Acha, we have exercise 1 section. Which of the following is primary alkyl halide? Primary alkyl halide. So beta, primary alkyl halide, listen Vigna. Let's say this one. This is the same one beta. This is a tertiary alkyl, tertiary carbon, so it is a tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, if I'm saying it connected to 2 carbon, so beta it is a secondary, so it also a secondary alkyl halide. So this is the question number B4, जो भी आपका B4 क्वेश्चन। हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सर। बेटा ऐसे अनुष्का क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 नहीं, प्लीज टेल मी द एग्जैक्ट वन, एक्सरसाइज 1 पार्ट ए पार्ट बी काइंड ऑफ थिंग, गिव मी अ प्रॉपर आंसर। कोरोना वायरस इज केम टू फॉल इन इंडिया। शिशिर यार, यू नो कम तो बेटा उसमें भी हुआ था लास्ट ईयर भी, फिर प्रॉब्लम आ गया। सेक्शन ए में ना 7th क्वेश्चन यू आर सेइंग which of the following are sp2 hybridized sigma bonds? So beta sp2 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 sp2, so beta 1 bond, 2 bond, sigma bond, 3 sigma bonds, and then beta 4 sigma bonds. So the answer is 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. They are saying sp2 sigma, so this is also sp2, this is also sp2. Okay Anushka, bye, take care beta. Okay Jasmita, bye 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 bye. सर डीपीपी कब डिस्कस करेंगे? अरे बेटा आज तो दिया ना होमवर्क, अभी 1-2 दिन में डिस्कस कर लेंगे, धीरे धीरे सभी काम करेंगे, फास्ट नहीं हो सकता काम, स्लो एंड स्टडी won the race. Okay sir, in class you are not slow, right now you are slow. No, I'm saying little bit slow, I'm saying not too much slow. Okay everybody, bye, take care, be happy. Okay, bye, take care. Vaishnavi is still like a host right now. Vaishnavi, can you make me a host beta? MD20540 SB Vaishnavi. Everybody leave.